morning, Sai Ram to all. Hello, my dear students. Welcome back in English class. So, today we are here for we will discuss about composition. So, today's topic is character sketch. Okay. Last time we have done English New Voices, chapter number 5. Okay. That is Peter's ghost dog. Okay, yes, right. So today we are going to discuss in picture composition. See, we have already discussed picture composition prior. So in composition we will have character sketch today. Okay, let's see the name itself describe character sketch. Character means a character, qualities, details about a person. Okay, that is character sketch. It means not giving a colorful or a picture sketch, but doing the or presenting the sketch in the form of words. Okay, yes. So character sketch, how to write a character sketch. So let's see first of all that a character sketch can be written about. It is written for what? Okay, let's see. Any character in a story. If there is any famous personality in any story, you can write about that. Okay. Okay, tell me, how many of you like cartoons? Can you tell me any characters of which you like the most? Yes, Bheem. Oh, you like Mowgli? Very good. And any other? Yes. Oh, you like Barbie? Okay, good. Cinderella. Okay, good. Yes, children, you can write about a character sketch of any person in a story. Okay, any character in any story, you can write about that person, like Bheem, Dholu, Doraemon, and what like Spider-Man. You can write about them because they are there in the story. Okay, now next we have a famous person in history. See, we can write on the persons who are related to a past or history. Okay, famous persons like Jhansi. Jhansi belongs to Rani Lakshmibai. You can write about her. Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, any other? Lal Bahadur Shastri, very good. Bhagat Singh. Yes, you can write this on these famous persons in our history, or even of a person you know of your own choice. It introduces the reader to a particular character while providing a swift and precise overview of all their attributes. Okay, it is just a see, for a reader it is just some information collecting so that he can precise overview of all their attributes regarding them. Okay, let's see, below are some points that will guide you in writing a character sketch. How you have to write a character sketch? There are some points. See, character sketch should be short paragraph. This is the first, and it should have some particular information that should be definite. Okay, or you can say that should be precise information, which is very important for all. Some you can say like most important points of that character person. Okay, yes. So next we have how to write a character sketch. How you have to write that? Paragraph 1, there should be name, age, physical appearance, style of dress. In paragraph 2, you can write family, family background, home, friends. In paragraph 3, you can write character, traits, Personality with evidence. Paragraph 4. Likes and dislikes of the character. In paragraph 5, you can write feelings, voice, fears, values and behaviors of that character. Okay, these are the character sketch, some points or the paragraph that should includes of that character. So today we are going to discuss the character sketch of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, who is he? He is the father of the nation. Yes, right. A nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. Okay, these are the lines written by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, given by him. So first we have father of India. Gandhiji is father of India or father of nation. Mahatma Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Kathiawar, India, or you can say in Porbandar, Gujarat also you can write. Okay, that is very famous. His real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Young Gandhi was a shy. He was very shy, unremarkable student and very timid in nature. Gandhiji's father name was Karamchand Gandhi. He served as a chief minister in Porbandar and other states in western India. His mother, what is the mother name of Gandhiji? Putli Bai, you should know. Okay, what is the name of her? Her name is Putli Bai. Was a deeply religious woman. Okay, Gandhiji's father served as the chief minister in Porbandar and her mother name was Putli Bai. Gandhiji was deeply influenced by his mother, an extremely pious lady who would not think of taking her meals without her daily prayers. The three main qualities that define Gandhi as a hero are his strong leadership, simplicity and bravery. These are the main three qualities of Gandhiji as a hero, that he was a strong leadership, he has a leadership capability. Simplicity was very in him, very genuine in him, that sorry, not genuine, we can say simplicity was his on his behavior. Okay, and bravery. Yes, he was very simple, down to earth and very brave people, very brave person. Leadership was one of Gandhi's heroic qualities. One way he demonstrated leadership was by encouraging people in his village to start using homespun clothing. Homespun was one of Gandhiji's favorite hobby. Gandhiji was the leader of India non-violent freedom movement against the British rule. He believed in the policy of ahimsa, that is the policy of non-violence. Okay, this was about Gandhiji. We have done today's the character sketch of Gandhiji. So what you all have to do is write this character sketch in your notebook. You have to note down this character sketch of Mahatma Gandhi in your English notebook. Okay, English notebook. And second, what you all have to do is you have to write character sketch of your own choice. Okay, you can take character sketch of from any story. You can take the character, or you can take any famous person of your choice. Like you can write on various points I have told, like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. You can write on Mahatma Gandhi. You have to write. Okay, But the second question is that you have to write of your own choice. You can write on Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay? Yes. Pratibha Patil, the famous character sketch you like the most. So I hope you all have understood the character sketch, how you all have to write. So I hope you all will do these questions and learn them. So we will meet in our next class. So take care and Saira.